the forgotten brain fix. What if the key to reversing memory decline wasn't a pill, but a bedtime snack? Yes, research now shows that certain foods, when eaten at night, can support brain health and dramatically slow memory loss in people over 60. Most seniors have this food at home and yet never use it strategically. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat, why it works, and how it could save your memory. Understanding memory loss. After 60, many seniors believe memory loss is inevitable. It's not. Age does bring changes to the brain, especially to the hippocampus, the memory center. However, recent studies show that nutrient deficiencies, oxidative stress, poor sleep, and chronic inflammation play a larger role than age alone. If you can reduce these, you can restore memory function. Why nighttime matters of brain repair. Here's the science. While you sleep, your brain activates the neurolymphatic system, a cleaning mechanism that flushes toxins. Like beta amyloid, linked to Alzheimer's, this cleaning peaks during deep sleep, especially in the first half of the night. That means what you eat before bed directly influences your brain's ability to detox and repair. The role of sleep hormones and neurotransmitters. To enter deep restorative sleep, your brain needs neurotransmitters like serotonin and melatonin. These are produced from tryptophan, an amino acid found in specific foods. Without enough tryptophan and magnesium, your brain struggles to sleep and memory suffers. That's why bedtime nutrition matters more than ever. The brain under inflammation, a silent killer. Inflammation is the root of most age-related brain problems. C-reactive protein, CRP, and interleukin-6 are markers that rise with poor diet and low antioxidant intake. Chronically inflamed brains shrink faster and lose connectivity between neurons. This is scientifically documented in longitudinal brain scans. Foods that worsen brain health at night. Avoid these before bed. Sugary desserts, white bread, fried snacks, and processed meats. Why? They spike insulin, increase CRP levels, and disrupt your sleep cycle. Worse, trans fats in these foods have been linked to reduced brain volume in people over 60. The brain-saving snack combo. Now to the solution, a bowl of warm oatmeal, topped with ground flax seeds and blueberries. Oats provide slow-digesting carbs and tryptophan. Flax seeds contain ALA, a plant-based omega-3. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants proven to improve neuron signaling. Together, they create the perfect pre-sleep brain fuel. Why this snack works during sleep? This snack works in 4 ways. Tryptophan boosts, serotonin and melatonin for better sleep. Antioxidants reduce overnight inflammation. Omega-3s support cell membrane fluidity. Fiber promotes stable blood sugar, preventing overnight brain stress. All of this enhances memory consolidation during deep sleep. Clinical evidence. What research shows. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that older adults consuming tryptophan-rich foods before bed experienced improved sleep quality and cognitive scores. Another trial in Japan showed that seniors eating a high antioxidant evening diet performed better on memory. Recall tests over 6 weeks. The evidence is growing. What to drink and what to avoid. Pair your brain-boosting snack with chamomile tea or lemon balm tea. These herbs reduce cortisol, a hormone that harms memory. Avoid caffeine after 3 p.m., including in chocolate and green tea. Even a small dose can block adenosine, a chemical that helps the brain enter deep sleep. Managing blood sugar while boosting memory. For seniors with diabetes or pre-diabetes, modify the snack. Use unsweetened almond milk, skip honey, and add cinnamon for blood sugar control. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and reduces brain fog. This makes the bedtime snack both brain and sugar-friendly. Micronutrients that help you sleep and think clearly. Add these micronutrients to your evening meal. Magnesium, nuts, seeds, calms the nervous system. Vitamin B6, banana, oats, converts tryptophan to serotonin. Zinc, pumpkin seeds, supports neurotransmitter function. These small additions can make a big difference in brain chemistry. What happens in 30 days if you follow this nightly routine? Here's what to expect in 30 days. Reduced night waking, sharper memory recall, less morning brain fog, improved mood. Seniors often report feeling mentally younger and more confident. 3-minute bedtime brain routine. Your nightly brain-saving plan. 1 hour before sleep, prepare oatmeal with berries and flax. 30 minutes before sleep, drink herbal tea, turn off bright lights. At bedtime, practice 3 minutes of calm breathing or soft gratitude journaling. This routine primes your brain for repair. Final message, your brain deserves care. Memory loss is not a punishment of age. It's often a result of neglect, especially at night. But the brain is forgiving. Feed it right, let it rest deeply, and it will heal. So tonight, start small. 1 bowl, 1 cup of tea, 1 choice. Your mind is worth protecting, and it's never too late to begin.